We guide you through how to redeem Roblox codes on mobile and PC. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser because Roblox promo codes cannot be redeemed directly inside most games. Go to roblox.com/redeem and make sure you are logged into your account. On mobile, whether you're using Android or iPhone, open Chrome or Safari and sign in which or switch to desktop view if needed so the page loads properly. On PC, simply open any browser like Chrome or Edge and log in. Once you're on redeem page, enter your promo code carefully in the text bar exactly as shown, avoiding extra spaces, then click redeem button. If the code is valid, you'll see a success message confirming the item has been added to your inventory. To find your new item, go to avatar section, open inventory, and equip it from there. If the code doesn't work, double check spelling, capitalization, and expiration date because many Roblox codes are time limited or already expired.